Today we are unboxing the GoPro HERO 12 Black and a bunch of fun accessories that GoPro makes for this amazing camera in their lineup. This could be argued as the ultimate action camera that takes your adventures to the next level. With cutting-edge features and unparalleled performance, this is more than just a camera. It's a companion for your wildest journeys. So let's get right into it and talk about some pretty big features into a teeny tiny camera. Video resolutions on this camera come packed with options. We've got crispy clear 5.3K up to 60 frames per second to the smooth 4K 120 and 2.7K 240 for those mega slow-mo moments. Another new feature is the all-new menu system design, which is much easier and more intuitive than previous models, so choosing all these different frame rates is much smoother of a process. I'll go ahead and throw up on the screen all of the different frame rates and resolutions that you can use on this camera alone. It's actually an insane amount. Now pair all of those amazing frame rates with the large image sensor that is on the GoPro HERO 12 Black, and you are honestly in for an amazing experience. You've also got an ultra-wide 156-degree field of view in an 8:7 aspect ratio. So this means more of the action in every single frame, giving your footage a cinematic quality. So now GoPro pairs all these amazing features alongside high dynamic range video and photo. So it takes that 5.3K video and adds high dynamic range to capture those crazy journeys and amazing everyday moments in even more detail, where there's a lot of highlights and a lot of shadows. As always, GoPro is pushing the limits with incredible image quality, even better hyper smooth video stabilization, which we all know is useful for those backroad bumpy adventures. A feature we are always looking for in new tech is a huge boost in battery life, which I can gladly say we are definitely getting here with 2 times longer recording times than the previous models. So you're gonna get an hour and a half at 5.3K 30 and over 2.5 hours at 1080p 30. So you pair that with the dual charger and enduro batteries, and you've got the perfect kit to last the entire adventure. The Max Lens Mod 2.0 accessory is definitely my favorite. It unlocks an ultra-wide 177-degree field of view in 4K 60. So this is ensuring you capture every detail of your surroundings while you're on your adventures, and if you pair this with the chesty mount, it keeps the viewer completely a part of your first-person point of view. Another awesome feature is the Bluetooth audio support and onboard mics. So with the new Bluetooth audio support, you can connect your AirPods or other Bluetooth devices for crystal clear sound recording and hands-free voice control. So this is really useful for when you're using the 3-way 2.0 tripod and you're on an adventure where you might want to keep your hands warm. Now, if you're not planning to use the Bluetooth audio option, there are actually 3 onboard mics within the HERO 12 Black. So you're still going to be creating some great onboard audio as well. And you could even use this camera as a vlogging camera.
GoPro, start recording. GoPro, stop recording.
So we all know adventure comes with some bumpy moments, which makes Hypersmooth 6.0 video stabilization the perfect match in an adventure camera. The 360 horizon lock ensures that no matter how intense the action gets, your footage remains smooth and steady. Pair this with a mount accessory and you'll be getting epic flowy footage, whether it's with the vented helmet strap mount or the handlebar seat post pull for your bike adventures. Either way, it's gonna be epic. The HERO 12 Black is not just a video powerhouse, it actually crushes in photography too. So you can capture 27 megapixel photos and take 24.7 megapixel stills from your 5.3K videos. So that feature is great because when you're out adventuring, it can be hard to stop and take a photo. So no matter what mode you captured in, you can have it framed for later. In typical GoPro fashion, this camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, and with the legendary ruggedness of all GoPro cameras, it's ready to withstand whatever your adventure throws at it. So for the professionals out there, the HERO 12 Black introduces timecode sync, allowing you to wirelessly synchronize multiple cameras at once. And with GP log and LUT support, you can color correct your footage to match other log style footage. So this is great for interlacing clips together from different kinds of cameras. After you're done recording, simply plug in your GoPro, and while it's charging, your footage will automatically upload to the cloud. Then with the GoPro subscription, GoPro will send you a highlight video that lets you relive your adventure and share the fun. But without the subscription, you can always edit your video right on the GoPro Quick app, which is pretty epic. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is more than just a camera. It's your companion on every adventure. With features like HDR, longer run times, ultra-wide perspectives, wireless audio, and unmatched video quality, I'd say if you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves to capture the moment, it's time to elevate your storytelling with this camera right here.